We have a monthly chart on that SPX. We can see 5 months parabolic straight up, something we haven't seen since 2013. 2019 was the last time we had that when that bull was in full swing. This bull is back. It's a new bull, but let me tell you, here's the thing. We've rallied too fast, too far, in a short period of 5 months going into calendar 2024. We are going to have a correction that is coming very, very soon. And that correction is not far away. We are totally overbought. This is a parabolic bull rally. No question about it. The question is now, though, you need to ring the cash register and start taking profits because we're overbought on the SPX. Once again, Tommy Trader, sign up for that free 5-day trial. Let us know you better.